Alright, moving on to the back. So what kind of relationship is between mass and Fg? That is a direct relationship. And then between M2 is a direct, between distance, and we're going to call this the inverse square. An object in space near Planum Zartum, the Fg acting on the planet is 50 newtons. What would be the new Fg if the mass of the object doubled? So if this is going to cause for the Fg to double, right? So one of the masses doubles. If this became a 2, so then this is going to double. So what's 2 times 50? That's now going to be 100 newtons. The object is 200. What would happen if the mass is now 3 times? So it would be 200 3 times. So that's 600 newtons. And again, I'm just looking at this and saying M1, M2, if this is tripling, then this whole thing is going to triple. An astronaut experiences the force of gravity of 30 newtons. What would the force of gravity acting on the astronaut when there is 3 times away from the Earth? So this is the whole 1/9 times 30. So you can just do 1/9 over 30. So the force is going to be 3.3 newtons. This is our equation. Alright. Doing the problem, this is our Fg equals mg, our Fg equals gm1m2 over d squared. So 3.3 kilograms is the mass of the asteroid. 3.43 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. Interacting with an object with a mass of 50. And if they have a distance of 1.6 times 10 to the 6th meters apart, find Fg. Something for school. You gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. Alright? So now we know G is the same number as a constant, so that's 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. And you're gonna put that onto thank you, Heather. Fg equals G M1 times M2 all over D squared. Okay. I can't do this. I'm trying to teach students something. You, sir, have to be a little patient. Just a little bit. Here, play with the captain. So putting the equation here, or putting the numbers into the equation. Equals 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 times 3.43 times 10 to the 24th power times 50 all over 1.6 times 10 to the 6th squared. Don't forget, we can put this number all at one time. So 6.67 second E negative 11 times 3.43 second E 24 times 50 divided by 1.6 times 10 to the 6th squared. Did I open parentheses? I did not. Good. And then that gives me a force of 4,468. And then the last question. The last question. 3 identical space shuttles went to different planets as shown in the picture below. And we are trying to determine which one of these is the most accurate statements. So, space shuttle that is next to planet Malu is experiencing the largest FG due to MG having the largest mass. Well, yeah, maybe, but this distance is so much bigger, and the relationship between force and distance is at inverse square, so this is going to decrease that force significantly. Scientist 2 says that the space shuttle that is next to planet Xena is experiencing the largest FG due to it being closer to the planet. So I'm going to agree with this guy. Scientist 3 is saying that the space shuttle next to Stardom, distance between the two, the distance is doubled, so this is also going to decrease the force. So the right answer is going to be B. Alright, sorry you guys, my son is needing me. I'm going to have to go. I hope this helped.